Good morning, dear students. You are welcome in online classes of Sardar Patel Inter College, Jaloli Phase 2. In last video number 5, we have studied about substitutional method, and here again with substitutional method part 2. If you have any problem in your exercise, you have contact me on WhatsApp. Now I am seeing some other problems you are facing. That is question number 8. Question number 8 is a decimal form of linear equation in two variables. So here is question number 2 at exercise 3C. Exercise 3C. Question number 8. Question number 8. And the question is 0.2x plus 0.3y is equals to 1.3, and second is 0.4x plus 0.5y is equals to 2.3. Okay students, here is a decimal equation of linear equation in two variables, but there is no problem because we can change it in fractional form, in form of p upon q. Okay, then 0.2x change in 2x upon 10. Are you okay? डेसिमल को यहां से कट करेंगे और नीचे 0 इंक्रीज कर देंगे. 2x upon 10 is the fractional form of this linear equation in two variables. So 2x by 10, 3 by 10, 3y by 10, 13 by 10, and 4 by 10x plus 5 by 10y is equals to 23 upon 10. Okay? Let's see 2x by 10, 3y by 10, 13 by 10. If we have take LCM, then 10 and 10 we can remove here. 10 and 10, as we take LCM, then 10 and 10 remove from here. Okay? Now this equation can be written as 2x plus 3y is equals to 13 and 4x plus 5y is equals to 23. This equation is the in simplest form. This was the decimal form of equation and this was the simplest form of equation. Any problem? And the method of substitution method same as I have told you in part 1. Okay? So you can solve it, these equations very easily. There is no problem. We have substitute value of x from equation first or equation second and put the value of x in equation first or second. Okay? Then next, question number 9. Question number 9. Question number 9 is that root 2x minus root 3y is equals to 0 and root 5x plus root 2y is equals to 0. These are two simultaneous equations of linear equation in two variables, and these equations are in root form. Okay, there is no problem in root form. If you have studied square root very easily, you can understand it very easily if you have studied square root. Okay, and the first choice is in this question, our constant term is 0. Variable x term, variable y term but constant term is 0. Okay, constant term if 0 in simultaneous equation, so we can know about answer of this question. Answer is x is equals to 0 and y is equals to 0. Because the constant term is 0, then the solution of x and y will be 0. Okay, now I am solving. In first equation, I substitute the value of x, then root 2x is equals to root 3y, then x is equals to root 3 upon root 2y. Okay, or x is equals to root 3 by 2y. Okay, now I am putting the value of x in equation second, and your second equation is root 5x plus root 2y is equals to 0. Now I am substituting the value of x in equation second. Then equation second is root 5 into x root 3 by 2 y plus root 2y is equals to 0. Okay, multiplying. After multiplying, the result is root 15 by 2 y plus root 2y. Okay, upon 1, and the LCM is root 2. Root 2 will be cancelled. Then root 15y plus root 2 1 ja root 2 multiplied by root 2, then gives root only 2y. Okay, is equals to 0. Okay, now here multiplying, cross multiplying, the result is root 15y plus 2y multiplying by 0 gives 0. Y is the common. Y common, root 15 plus 2 is equals to 0. Y is equals to 0 upon root 15 plus 2. Then y is equals to 0. I have told you before that y and x will be 0. And here y is equals to 0. If we put y is equal to 0 in this equation, x is equals to root 3 by 2 into y 0. Then x is equals to 0. And the solution is x is equals to 0, y is equals to 0. Because our constant term was 0, then the value of x and value of y will be 0. You have understand it very well. Okay. And question number 1 to question number 19, there is no questions that you have any problem. But if any queries, you can contact me on WhatsApp. So dear students, you have to solve question number 1 to 19, and in substitutional method part 3, I will told you question number 20 and question number 37. Okay, so I am finishing my video here and met you in next video, video number 7, linear equation in two variables, substitution method part 3. Okay, thanks.